Hello and welcome. In this video, we will look at the variable power load feature, available with the 2022.3 release of Typhoon HIL Control Center. This new feature provides two models for variable power loads, the three-phase variable load and the single-phase variable load. These components are based on variable impedance and allow you to simulate power demands that can vary over time, representing diverse consumer power consumption profiles. Since load characteristics have a significant influence on both steady-state and dynamic performance of power systems, this feature can be extensively useful in power systems analysis, planning, and control. The main advantage of this feature is that these load components support distorted voltage on their terminals, meaning they will consume the demanded power when distortions appear. Three-phase load component can operate as balanced or unbalanced. The three-phase variable load is comprised of three independent single-phase units where each one is connected to a corresponding phase and neutral point. Each variable load component has a corresponding HIL SCADA library widget. To demonstrate the feature, let's open Examples Explorer and open the example called Three-Phase Variable Load Component. In this example, a three-phase variable load is connected to the grid equivalent, represented by the component called Grid Simulator. Parameters of the load can be set on the component's properties. In the General tab, nominal values of voltage, frequency, apparent power, and power factor can be defined. Other settings about the voltage distortion, execution rate and neutral configuration can also be set on this tab. The other tabs can be used to define snubber settings. Core coupling type and control mode. In the SCADA panel of this example, the scope shows the voltage and current measurements, while the widget group actions allows you to apply distortions and phase imbalance to the system. Inside the three-phase variable load widget, two widget groups are available, the actions group and the measurements group. Balanced and unbalanced operations can be set in the actions group, while the system behavior can be followed through the measurements group. By setting Enable Balanced Load to True, the same power will be seen in each phase. Power references and rate of change can be tuned in order to obtain different load characteristics. The same can be applied to the unbalanced condition. In this tutorial, we showed the possibilities for using variable loads in Typhoon HIL Control Center. By using this feature, power systems analysis for several load conditions can be easily performed. Thank you for watching.